Hello everyone and welcome back to the Lancaster Volkswagen YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you around this stunning Golf R 3-door in lapis blue. It's a 65 plate 2015 one and it's priced at £20,965. Done around 32,500 miles, really low for this age, and it's quite special as well with it being the 3-door in this stunning lapis blue as well. Got full LED headlight, your R badges, and of course 18-inch Cadiz alloy wheels with your satin door mirror caps as well. Really nice car. Got your black cherry rear tail lamps, really nice looking, and also your quad exhausts. So it's a really sporty looking car. You don't see many like this at all. Of course, you'll get your 2 years warranty and 2 years roadside assistance with this. If you do choose to take out our PCP plan, you're also going to get 2 free services or 2 years of free servicing. So you get a lot of peace of mind with this car as well. I'll take it inside and show you some of the features, because with this being the R model, it is fully packed. So you've obviously got your DAB radio, navigation on this one as well as your traffic updates is really useful thing to have. 7-speed DSG gearbox down here, and also your electronic parking brake. The seats are the black Vienna leather seats, and they are also heated, so it's got a lot of kit on this car. Like I say, for a 65 plate, and it's only done 32,664 miles. Absolutely stunning inside of this car. Feels really new, and of course, you've got all the peace of mind of the 2-year warranty. All modern with all your car interface. You can have your Bluetooth and things like that on. Connect your phone as well, so you can have hands-free. Got your blue needles on the dials to suit the colour of the car and the R, Volkswagen's R brand identity. Dimming rear mirror and your sunglasses holder too. The back, I'll show you how the back is accessed in a minute. You've got specific to our trim inside. And then you've got your owner's manual and your service book in here too. Dual zone climate control, so you can have it the same temperature as your passenger or not, it's up to you. And also this car has flappy pedals, so if you do want to change gears yourself, that's also possible. Just like a usual Volkswagen Golf, you do have 5 seats in this one with the same amount of space. With it being a 3-door, that's how you access it. Got 3 seats in here as well with your centre armrests. These don't look like they've been used hardly at all. So really, really nice tidy car, and not a common one either. Little look at the interior from the outside, really sporty and modern. So that's our Volkswagen Golf R 3-door 2015 at Lancaster Volkswagen. As you can see, it's absolutely stunning in the lapis blue, again with the 18-inch Cadiz alloy wheels and the 3-door body style. You really don't get many of these. Most of them are the 5-door. This is the only 3-door we have. Also fully packed with your LED headlights, heated seats, navigation, traffic information and more. If you have any questions about finance, do ask us. We've got flexible financial options as well as offering part exchange. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask us. One of our team will be happy to help you. Hopefully we'll speak to you soon.